Hello, if you're new here, please do subscribe, please do leave us a comment, please do smash that notification bell and I'll get back to you. Make sure you subscribe because we've got some spicy tutorials coming out, just like this one. So today we're going to be learning this, alright, but on Friday so far of the combo I've got this, okay. I haven't yet finished it, but it will be done by Friday and it will be out, okay. So I hope you like this tutorial. You need to make sure your planes are very straight. You're going to put your hand so it's angled directly out from your body or your face, and you're going to go here. Okay, from here, do you remember when you used to make those dog patterns on the wall when you were a kid, yeah? We're going to put those ears down, we're going to turn our hand out so it's directed, angled outwards away from our body, reverse. I found a little bit of trouble with words. What you're going to do then, okay, is this is ready to receive the chuck then. What you're going to do is you're going to bring this here and pass it again. So let's go over that again. So we go here, okay, then we're going to go here. From here then, executing the finger roll can be a little bit difficult because you haven't got much room to work with before it will hit you in front of the face. Okay, just to make you aware, this is an intermediate move to advanced. Okay, so we go here, here, we're going to the advanced part now, and then we go here. Okay, so the finger roll, I'm going to show you in the front of your body, so I'm going to get into position where the finger roll is. What I do, okay, there's not really much room to work with, so you need to make friction, and there's basically the nunchuck bend to what you want it to do and not as physiology, okay? Which is what we're going to do is we're going to go down the stick, we're going to go tight here, and then we're going to let it go, okay? That will give it a slow, but more of a safe roll, so it's not going to hit you in the face, okay? So we go here, here, okay? We're going to go down the stick, go tight here, and then just let it go. You know when you pull tight on something and let it go, you know, like a belt whip. You know, when you're using belt for a whip, it's much the same motion we're doing here, okay? Which is how I'm able to get that thumb roll from behind my head. So here, here. Okay, so we're going to practice it in front of your body first, okay? So go here, go tight, and then let it go. Okay? Here, slide down and go tight. Dropped it there. Everyone drops it, you know, just pick it up and laugh. Okay, so we're here, go down and go round. So it's quite simple, but at the same time it's quite difficult because there are those aspects. Okay, so please do subscribe. Remember to hit that notification bell. I'm going to be back Friday for another amazing combo. Okay, you know, this is what I've got so far. So I'll break that down on Friday and there will be a few more pieces added to it, okay? Hope you have an amazing day and I'll see you.